Hey everybody. This is just an update to let you all know this Friday at 9 o'clock p.m. What's today, 5th of March, so 5th. And I think this is Tuesday now. Yeah, Tuesday. It's Wednesday, Thursday. So I guess that'll be the 8th of this week of March of 2019. Is when this will take these VCRs apart. Now I'm doing this as a means and a method to keep myself motivated and maybe keep some of you all motivated. And also, of course, these videos typically are available years later, which gives you insight to how you might obtain parts to achieve some of the things that I have been working on. Now, the point of VCRs is that I put out a call to anybody who had VCRs broken or working to donate to me, to in turn I was going to take them apart, which is what I'm going to do here this Friday again. The last VCR I took apart had a beautiful box made out of mule metal, but there was no plate. These are so cheap, made by Emerson in this case. Emerson used to make some decent VCRs, but in the later years they stopped. They're junk. So this is what I'm looking for. These are plates of mule metal. Now, in this particular TV, what's going to happen here is that because this is a magnetic field, this is an old-fashioned cathode ray tube. It puts off EMF, or electromagnetic fields, and these electromagnetic fields will get into this and start erasing the tape or magnetizing the tape head. So most likely, there's a nice big plate right about there. And we'll see if I'm right when we take this apart here come this Friday. Now, there are also other parts in here that are great as well. For example, these things have motors in them. Okay, and these motors are perfect because they allow us to try this other experiment where you see videos online for so-called free energy, and what they do is they hook up two of these motors to each other, and they use the pulleys on each one, and they use the current. When I spin that, a little bit of electricity is coming out the back of the wires that was originally used to run this motor. So what people are doing online is that they hook these two wires up to another motor that's like this one, maybe one that consumes a little less energy, and they put a crystal diode in the circuit to make the electricity from this run only in one direction. And supposedly when you do that, one motor creates electricity that makes the other motor run. The other motor that's running now is hooked to this on a pulley and will make this motor run, and the more this runs, it keeps putting out electricity, which makes the other motor continue to run. It's a little confusing, but that's how it works. I believe, though, all of those videos are fake. I don't believe any of them are real. But I always ridicule people who always say things I'm doing are fake. The bottom line is, rather than saying something's fake, unless you know yourself because you have actually done the work, you've gotten your hands dirty, and you try to make this stuff, see if it really works, then don't criticize something until you've tried it yourself. Everything in my videos are real. I've not faked anything. The glitches you see in my videos are not edits. They're real glitches, genuine glitches. Most of those glitches were caused from using a very old cell phone. This cell phone I'm using now, which is an Apple, so far has been glitch-free. But upload glitches are possible. So I'm carefully watching about upload glitches. If it glitches on the upload, I'm taking it down right away and I re-upload it until it's glitch-free. Because that way people will stop accusing me of doing editing during critical moments of testing. I don't edit my videos, except maybe I'll put, who I am or a little verbiage about my research in the video, but I don't actually edit it during the demonstration. That would be cheating, and I don't cheat. Okay, that's it. So for all those you who are interested here, I'll be back here Friday night on YouTube. Now, some of you might be seeing this on Facebook. I cannot broadcast simultaneously to two different places at the same time. So you'll just have to go to YouTube if you're a Facebook user. And that way you can check out what it is I'm doing, or just watch the video at a later date. Otherwise, I promise you, if you're not really into this, this is going to be extremely boring. So this is only for those of you who are curious what parts might be inside of these units, and maybe you might want to think about obtaining some of these. They're no longer available at Goodwill anymore. I don't see them there anymore. So just put out an ad, and some people might respond, and then they'll start donating to you. So more of these are starting to come in my door all the time now. I need about 25 or 30 of these, so hopefully over the next few weeks I'll get maybe 20 more or so. Alright, that's it. That's all the news that's fit to print here at Lake Will Be Gone. Take care now. See you Friday.